This is one of the last handful of videos that I'll be filming from this studio. And no, I haven't been evicted, nothing's on fire, I'm not giving up or anything like that. I'm going to be moving into a new studio. Today, I want to properly explain why, what's changing, and everything that's coming up over the next few weeks, because there's a lot. Now, first, let's get one thing straight. I'm not leaving because I don't love this place. I built it from the ground up using recycled parts pulled from old sheds, adding to it bit by bit over the years until it became what you're looking at right now, and I'm ridiculously proud of it. But pride doesn't fix a roof. This roof has already been repaired twice, and it needs a third repair right now. The electrics were never completely wired into their own main circuit, which is another job and another expense. And on a hot summer day, this studio hits 48 degrees Celsius inside. I physically cannot film for more than about 30 minutes before it becomes unbearable. Winter isn't much better, it's freezing. And with the roof issues, it's wet too. And because this is a garden studio, if the neighbours are out or the kids are playing next door, filming simply isn't an option. Adding that, my disposable income for repairs is tiny, and progress on fixing any of it has been painfully slow. So here's what's happening. I'm moving into our office inside the house. It's a space that's almost twice the size of this studio. I've put together a rough render, which you'll see on the screen now, of what I want it to look like, and I think you'll agree it's looking fantastic. A lot of what you've grown familiar with in here is coming with me. A lot of the setup, the look, and that same smart, professional, somewhat professional aesthetic that you already know will be taken through. But the new space gives me room I've never had before, for proper testing facilities, space for unboxing, and even room for guests to come in future videos. It's already fully wired for electrics, it's properly temperature regulated throughout summer and winter, there's no rain getting in ever, and it's got direct access to my 1.6 gigabit broadband connection. And this isn't happening overnight. I'll be migrating everything across gradually, starting in the next couple of weeks and building it up properly over the following months. The next few videos are still going to be coming from right here, and then we'll be switching. If enough of you want to see it, I'll run a progress or update series showing the build happen in real time from this studio to the new one. Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in. This place isn't going to waste either. Once everything's out, it's getting a new felt roof. It's a cheap, effective, and basically a simple way of stopping the rain getting in. I'm going to be stripping it back to the walls and fitting proper storage racks, turning it into a storeroom. The security is getting a bit of an upgrade too, on top of what's already here with multiple locks, CCTV or upgraded CCTV, and of course, Reggie my Rottweiler. While all that's happening in the background, the content doesn't stop. There's a serious amount coming your way over the next few weeks, such as the MSI Pro MP245 PHG E14 Productivity Monitor, the MSI Versa 300W 8K gaming mouse, the Pixel 32-inch curved Quad HD gaming monitor from their new lineup, the Fifine Ampli-Game AM8 microphone with the SC3 audio mixer, Marvo's latest Titan range of mechanical keyboards, the Reolink TrackFlex Floodlight Wi-Fi camera, the Handyworks Astro Mini Retro arcade machine, and plenty more that I haven't even announced yet. There's 2 giveaways landing too, for now anyway. There's my own 10k giveaway with some genuinely great prizes already lined up, which are right behind me now, and separately there's a joint celebration giveaway with Scan Computers, marking both their 40th anniversary and my 10k subscriber milestone together. I've also finally finished the custom build for Thomas Turgoose, and I mean this sincerely, this is not one to miss. The system and the machine as a whole has turned out fantastically well, and I cannot wait to show you. I'm going to be pushing this one to the moon and back. Going forward, expect 2 to 3 videos every single week minimum, possibly more once the new studio's fully up and running, simply because it's going to be so much easier to film in. Daily shorts are staying exactly where they are, and I'm still improving those as I go, and they're doing really, really well right now. So, there's big changes coming, a lot of content lined up, and honestly, a much better studio to bring you all of it from. Thank you for watching, and thank you genuinely for continuing to support the channel. If you haven't already, a subscribe would mean the world. That's it from me for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.